13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Well, welcome back and thanks for joining us this morning. I'm meteorologist Amber Twardy. Temperatures already off to a pretty warm start for many of us yet this morning. We have seen a couple of showers popping up on satellite and radar with more on the way. Scattered showers today, more rain and the chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow. A lot to talk about in this weekend's forecast. Let's break it down. Starting with today, 13 weather ball is green, no change foreseen. So our temperatures yesterday were in the 60s. Today, same thing, at least for a good amount of us. There is going to be a big variation in temperatures from north to south today. Now 13 weather balls also blinking bright. We do have some rain in sight. We've already seen a couple of those rain showers picking up closer to US 10. This is a look at Big Rapids where you can even see a couple of those raindrops that have picked up on the camera lens. That's going to be the case throughout much of this morning as we continue to see some of these showers moving in. Now temperatures in Big Rapids, 41 degrees right now, so much colder the further north that you go. Right now though, here in Walker, here in Grand Rapids, sitting in the 60s. So yes, big variation in temperatures because of the stationary front that's stalled out to our north. That is bringing a couple of these showers that are making their way on through. Now Big Rapids through Mecosta County and extending further east into mid-Michigan. That's where most of those showers are at this point. But look just off of the shoreline, we can see a couple of showers that are trying to pick up. We'll be able to see more scattered showers throughout the rest of the day. I would say closer to about 10 o'clock is when we'll start to see some more of those moving in. Scattered showers today, temperatures that are pretty warm. We're going to be in the mid-60s for our Saturday afternoon. Tomorrow, still in the 60s, but big change on the way in terms of more active weather. We have some thunderstorms rolling in, possibly even giving us some strong to severe thunderstorms as we're heading into the end of the weekend, which is also why we've issued a 13 weather impact alert. We issued that yesterday. It goes into effect tomorrow at 3 p.m., extending until about 9 p.m. So through the late afternoon into our Sunday evening, looking at the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Main concerns are with strong winds as well as the potential for hail as well, but we do have a non-zero threat for an isolated tornado. It just can't be ruled out. Here's what we're needing to do, making sure that you're staying weather aware, prepping for severe weather. So if you're going to be out and about during that time frame, making sure you know where you can go in the event that you would need a safe space if we do get a severe thunderstorm warning to pop up. Throughout the rest of today, anticipating more of these scattered showers on the way. That continues, not really looking at too much of a concern for today. Tomorrow is when we'll be able to see that. In the morning, possibly a couple of thunderstorms picking up, but throughout the afternoon, when we start to get a little bit of sunshine peeking through the clouds, destabilizing our atmosphere even further, that could be adding fuel to thunderstorms that we're expecting heading into the evening hours. This broken line of thunderstorms, so more so clusters of thunderstorms than anything else. This is what could be bringing us that severe threat, that possibility of gusty winds and even hail. That continues to clear out of the area though. We should be in the clear by about 9 p.m. Following behind it though, we will be able to see the chance for a bit of a wintry mix into our Monday. So 13 weather impact alert in place for Sunday, but then we still see some more weather that we're going to be impacted by into Monday. This is not necessarily too concerning by any means, but it's just not exactly very comfortable considering that a lot of us are starting to get used to some of those 60s. We're going to be cooling down a lot into the end of the weekend. Temperatures today, big variation from north to south. You'll be able to see temperatures that are in the 40s and 50s for our northern zone. Looking to our southern zone though, getting into the 60s, and that has everything to do with that stationary front that's stalled to our north. Your 13 on Your Side 7-day forecast. Staying fairly warm, especially around the Grand Rapids area and further south through the weekend. Looking at that chance for severe thunderstorms, though, into tomorrow evening. So just make sure you're staying weather aware. Wintry mix to follow into Monday, tracking another system during the middle of the upcoming work week.